Better dead.
What is up, Supra channel? Welcome back to another video. We are here working on, look at that over there, on the all original stock 93 twin turbo 6-speed Supra. Guys, this is his toy, but this is what we had before the Supra. So it's crazy how you could go from something like this brand new to something like that. Mind you, this is it's a regular C8, but you know, nice already with the aero kit, wheels. It's pretty nice. So drove mine over here. Nice little drive, by the way. So I guess he couldn't resist. What's up, Richard?
What's up, bro?
Couldn't resist, and he went already last night, installed the new 97, 98 headlights. Check that out. Already looks like it's 15 years younger than it's 31, so it's getting there. I just got here. He had taken off the taillights already, and I totally forgot that it's a 93. So the harness in the back of the 93 headlights are completely different. Like the bulbs don't even screw in, like the socket is different. So he had to order a separate harness. Obviously I never dealt with that. My car's a 97, so sorry for the rookie mistake, guys. I just one of those things that you encounter and you don't realize. So what we're doing now is actually we're under the car. We are taking off the stock exhaust. My man over here told you when I say he went crazy, he went crazy. Look at, I mean, I don't know if those are all car parts. It looks like it. This man got a brand new Tomei titanium exhaust. Also got the mid pipe, believe it or not. So he's pretty much full titanium, actually more than me at this point. And I think we have 97, 98 turn signals, which might also need some rewiring because you know the connectors on top, and then these have double on the bottom. What else are we gonna do? I think, guys, I don't know. I just gotta go a step at a time because it's too much. This guy he's going all in and probably wants to do everything before he does single turbo, but we're trying to get parts that he's gonna be able to use later on, so we don't want to double dip on parts and spend double the money for no reason. So yeah, let's take out this factory exhaust and install the Tomei. Right, 20 minutes later, exhaust is out.
With assistance, okay? You just show up and everything's tools. Sorry, you have tools.
I'm gonna have to bleep that out, man.
All right, let's try it again.
Damn, dude.
Let's do it again.
I'll edit out, don't worry.
I forgot it was a family-friendly.
Yes, so I'm actually gonna take out the downpipe now. Okay. I'm talking to the video. No, I'm talking to the video.
Oh, they're talking to me?
No.
Shut up.
I'm gonna gut.
And
Man. God.
Action.
Sorry.
Action.
So I'm gonna take out the downpipe and actually gut this factory panel, whatever you call this thing, out. That's very restrictive because we don't have a downpipe. Obviously, it's no point in spending money on a downpipe that's gonna last a couple months. Exactly. It's gonna last for a couple months before this thing goes single turbo. So we're gonna just try to make it the best flowing with the factory.
When you say a couple of
stuff
months,
that we have. I don't want to say any bad words.
How much time do I have? You said a couple of months.
A couple months, yeah.
Okay.
I'd probably give it like 6 or 7 months before you make this thing single turbo. All right, so we have the factory mid pipe with whatever you want to call that. We're gonna gut it out. Let's put it on the vise, bro. Trust me, it's gonna be easier.
Sure, we can do it straight down here, and then we'll put it on
All
the
right.
side.
We've been at this for what, like an hour and a half?
About an hour.
Come to the end. work. I'm getting there.
Hey, you're gonna clean my garage, right?
Yeah. All right. So got most of it out. There's still a little bit in there, but it's good enough. You can see to the other side pretty clearly, but that's good enough. That only took like 2 hours, guys. So. So, for anybody that's gonna do the full Tomei, I guess mid pipe and exhaust, the mid pipe, I don't know if there's different options. I thought there was only one. It's like a really like a 3.5 inch. It's smaller, and for some reason it doesn't come with an adapter to fit it to the rest of the exhaust. All it comes is with this. If you're running like the stock, you know, donut style mid pipe, but obviously now we're running their mid pipe. So you would think somewhere along the kit between one or the other will come something to adapt it to the other. So that doesn't happen. I know on mine I used a 4-inch adapter that's like a 4-inch B-band to slide into the rest of the exhaust. So we're gonna cut off this flange here and just kind of try to, you know, make like a slit here so we could just slide it into the mid pipe section and try to make it work. If not, you know, it's gonna be a pretty useless. It's gonna be pretty useless too. And if we mess this up, I have mine at home that I never use, so we have a backup just in case.
Battery dead? Well,
Look, I'm wearing safety.
want the other wheel?
Or clean it off?
Or we're just gonna cut the slits and it's gonna go inside anyway.
Yeah, doesn't really matter. But, you just stay. You hold it. You hold it.
And I just send it back to Tomei. What do you think?
Hey, total fail. Total fail. All right, so this is what we did. This is the mid pipe. Make some slids on it, and then cut the flange on this piece that it comes with, and kind of just hit it in there with a 2x4. It's nice and tight, and they do supply a clamp, so we'll put on the clamp over it just in case. And I think we could put a spring from here to here, so I'll keep it just in case. Extra tension.
Everything makes noise.
Done with the exhaust install.
You ready?
Yep. It's 9 o'clock at night. Yep. Alright, like a kitty. sorry it's so dark. I finished late. Going for a spin now.
Sorry. This is the yellow light, bro.
It's a little dark, but we have enough light to put on the new badges.
The reveal?
You want to do the honors here? Damn, it's official now, bro. It's official.
Boom.
I think this is like this came in 97, 98, even for the turbo ones. So we're gonna do the Yoda one now.
Yoda.
I think it's on top of this, like.
You should put this on your channel, bro. Toyota, letting people down since 1990 never.
So what to say, man? There's exhaust on in the lake. Yeah, the blue tip on the white doesn't look all that bad.
Yeah, I think it pops well. Yeah. I think it works.
Well, we took this thing for a spin. It definitely feels like it picked up between taking out the factory airbox and the exhaust. Probably like a good 30 to 40 horsepower. You can actually hear the blow off now, the stock one.
I mean, it feels like 100.
Yeah, it's just the noise.
It's not just the noise, okay?
It's just the noise.
It's not.
Man. Now it's official, man. You're official. All you need now is those S2 taillights. Waiting for the harness to get here.
Sure.
All right, we're gonna call her a night. We tried. Been here for a couple hours. Couldn't get the mid pipe installed. Total failure on Tomei's part there. So now we're gonna have to get this fabbed up. Let me see here. It's a good fit on the factory side, whatever. But this first of all is not 4-inch. This is like a 3.5. And this adapter that we tried to do to 4 makes it too short. So we're gonna have to see if some fab guy with titanium experience can kind of add maybe like another 6 inches. Maybe even do like a B-band on both sides, or something that'll work. Because this right here right now is too short. We kind of need it this much longer. All right, so that is gonna be it for the 93 Supra project. No, it wasn't much, but we tried. That's the best we could do, huh?
Hey, that's what it is, bro.
Sounded like we didn't do much, but we were here for hours.
Bro, that's always the case, bro.
Yeah, I know. It's always something.
When you're building cars, performance cars, it's always something, bro. It's never straightforward.
All right. So, guys, gonna check out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.